Okay, second grade. Today we are going to work on the letter J, and we're going to do some review of some of our letters as well. So we're going to start with the letter J first. We're going to go ahead and start at the baseline. We're going to bring our pencil up to the midline. Bring your pencil straight down. Your tail is going to cross to the right. At the baseline, dot your J over the midline. So bring it up, straight down, loop around to the right, cross it at the baseline, dot it over the midline. And we'll practice 10 lowercase j's today. And if you see one that looks really great, don't forget to circle it. On the other hand, if one doesn't turn out exactly the way you wanted it to, just take your pencil, cross it out, and try another one. Because that's how you're going to get better, by practicing. It's okay to make mistakes. I make plenty myself every day. Just like that. So the letter J is going to be found on page 86 in your Benson handwriting book today. So if you need to follow along or look at directions at the top of the page, it's page 86 to refer to. Then we'll practice a combination with the letter J. And then we'll go up into the letter U. Like if we're writing the word juice. J, U. J and U. Then we can practice the word jet. Like I saw a jet fly high in the sky. J-E-T. J-E-T. And J-E-T. Keeping in mind that T is a tall letter, so make sure it's touching the skyline. So on page 86, you will have the letter J to trace, practice writing it 15 times each. And then you have 2 or 3 letter combinations to practice at the bottom. Then page 87 is going to be a little bit different today. It's going to deal with antonyms. Remember, antonyms are words that have opposite meanings of another word. So what's going to happen on page 87 is you have a list of words on the left-hand side written in cursive, and you have a word bank that is green. So your first word, for example, is the word many. So you need to read the words to yourself in the word bank and choose the word that would be the opposite of the word many. So I had many days to do my homework, or in the green box is the word few. I only had a few days to do my homework, so few is going to be the opposite. So what I'd like you to do on page 87 is to trace over the words on the left-hand side of your paper. I want you to practice copying the word, and then you're going to write your antonym next to that. So for example, on page 87, you're going to find the word many that looks like this. So the first thing you're going to do is take your pencil and you're going to trace over the word many. Then you're going to practice writing it yourself in your very best cursive. Then remember, we talked about what the opposite of many is the word few. So then I'm going to go to my word bank and I'm going to spell F-E-W and write the word few. So you're going to practice tracing the word, recopying it, and then putting the antonym that you will find in the green box on page 87. So J and your antonym practice are going to be due on Friday, pages 86 and 87. Double check your work, do your best, and be very, very neat.